Are your localized application common logic application failing because of the shared library module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To start our guide for shared library module, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the shared library module, a common name for .NET shared assemblies. It facilitates localized code sharing between different modules of a single application suite, handling common utility classes. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Unlike Windows core files, Shared Library Module DLL belongs to the specialized localized application common logic environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing shared library module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Shared Library Module DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Shared Library Module and maintaining system health. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Shared Library Module or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.